Now let's look at types of orange. Navel orange is sweet with a light bitter taste. Seville orange is more bitter. Valencia orange is sweet and very juicy. It is the best orange for juice. Mandarin is small and easy to peel. It is great for snacking. Tangelo is sweet and slightly tart. Tangerine is sweet and juicy. Clementine is seedless and easy to eat. Blood orange is juicy and tart. Cara Cara orange is extra sweet. Lima orange is sweet and low acid. Each orange is special in its own way. Each type has a different use.